Welcome to the world of automotive perfection brought to you by Flitz. Today we're diving into our top tier products, each playing a crucial role in achieving the ultimate shine for your vehicle. Let's kick things off with Flitz Paste Polish, a versatile solution to remove imperfections, leaving your car with a glossy, mirror-like finish. Pair it with the buff ball for an efficient and even application. Watch as the buff ball effortlessly enhances the brilliance of your vehicle's paint. For precision detailing, reach for the hand applicator. Its ergonomic design ensures targeted application, delivering professional-grade results. Our microfiber cloth steps in to wipe away any residue gently. Its soft fibers ensure a streak-free shine, revealing the true beauty of your car. Last but certainly not least, we have Flitz Ceramic Sealant, the guardian of your car's exterior. Apply it for long-lasting protection against the elements. In the world of Flitz, every product plays a key role in bringing out the brilliance of your vehicle. Elevate your ride with Flitz, where innovation meets excellence.